Good morning, it's Monday, it's the 10th of May and it's Trade of the Week time. So first of all we need to see what happened with last week's Trade of the Week. And last week's Trade of the Week was a non-event. We were looking for price to hit this area here of resistance and it never made it. Price travelled sideways, GBP, JPY, all of last week, and quite a narrow band for this particular currency pair. Interestingly though, that on the open of the week, last evening, 10 o'clock, and this morning, we've seen a surge across all GBP pairs. GBP USD, CHF. I'm assuming that this must be because of the favourable results that the Conservative Party gained over the elections. I guess that was GBP bullish. So, trade of the week for this week. I am looking at GBP USD. If price gets to 141.22, we may see some action on this particular this level. Price has hit this level previously several days ago and reverse. So there's a chance we could get another reversal there, particularly as we're going to be looking at these, looking at the RSI and the stock. We're going to be overbought. But the trade I'm looking at for this week is GBP AUD. So what we need to do, we need to put a line across WR1 and WS1, although I don't think price is going to be heading down this way. I think we're going to be heading north. So you'll notice that WR1, we've got quite a strong band of resistance here. It's hit it here, bounced. This whole area here, very active. So chances are, if price moves up to WR1, we are going to see a reversal. So that's my trade of the week. It's GBP AUD, and we're looking for a short trade at WR1 if market conditions are favourable. So that's your trade of the week. Keep your eye on 141.22 on GBP USD, but it's GBP AUD. Should we get up here, won't be today, probably not even tomorrow, but maybe Wednesday, we should see price up here. Alternatively, if it does move down to WS1, we have again got support here at WS1. So both these lines are very active. Keep your eye out for these levels for this week. All the indicators that I use to trade, including my RKD discipline indicator, which is what you're seeing here, are free. I'm going to give them all away. All the indicators that I use, plus my manual on how I trade, and all these are absolutely free. All you have to do is leave your email address in the comments below, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll send you a copy of all these indicators. This indicator alone, my RKD discipline indicator, I have sold in the past for around about £95. Just to run through how useful this indicator is, you can set up to 30 different charts, and it supports gold and other commodities, and it gives you a snapshot of the price. Rather than going through each currency pair, you can just check out the state of the market at a glance. So here we have the symbols that you're using, the current price, the proximity to various pivot levels, WS2, WS1, WPP, WR and WR2. The proximity and to today's open, the proximity to yesterday's high, to yesterday's low. Also, how far price is away from the 200 MA. This can be the 200 EMA or the SMA, depending on your trading preference. And it also gives you a snapshot of the current RSI readings. So what this matrix does, it will flag up a star. If we get a colour change, we get a star. And if you get a 3 or a 4 star colour change, then we will look at the price to see whether there is a trade trade there or not. Right. Also, at the end of 2022, Hypertech, one of the world's strongest blockchain alliance, one of the biggest and most diverse blockchain groups on the planet, will launch their IPO, their initial public offering, on the Hang Seng. And you can be part of this once in a lifetime, truly unique event. Now, Hypertech are huge. They are a massive organisation. They consist of several core companies. CollinStar are venture capitalists who own part of Binance. Blockchain Global work with various government entities. The Hcash Foundation is the group's bank. They have an agreement with MasterCard and have a $50,000 a day spend on their card. They are also working with IBM on quantum security. Other than the coins that they have, they also are involved in mining, in gaming, in education, in the media. They'll soon to be launch. They're soon going to launch their HyperTalk, which is a social media platform. They also have a online shopping mall, the Mars Mall. There's really no end to their involvement in crypto. The number of companies they're involved with are extraordinary. They're involved with the NEM project, which is a multi-billion-pound project, as is Tron. The Who exchange is theirs. The OKEX exchange they have interest in. It just goes on and on. And what basically they are after is members. So if you're a member of Hypertech, you'll have all the benefits afforded to you. Not only will you get an option for preferential shares when the company do launch their IPO, but they have one of the best investment platforms around today. A $300 investment is returned at 3 times. So invest 300, you'll get 900 back. Invest 1,000, you'll get 3,000 back. But by operating a rebuy, you can turn $300 into a $6,100 investment over a 21-month period. So the details are all below or on my website. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. At the end of 2022, this opportunity will be gone. So act now and seriously consider joining Hypertech. It will be the best financial investment opportunity you'll ever make.